If you ask the most powerful people in the world what the biggest question in the world is right now, it is, are we about to enter a currency war? It's a good question, and we know the answer is no because they say so. They said it at the G20 this weekend.
We will refrain from competitive devaluation. We will not target our exchange rates for competitive purposes.
But they are being sorely tempted, and here's why.
If we go back to 2009, many countries in their response to the recession had planned to have large increases in exports. In fact, the increase in exports was something which couldn't be achieved by everybody at the same time unless some other planet were planning to start importing goods from the Earth. So the consequence of that has been that over time those export plans have not come to fruition. So people have started to think they might need to double up on some of their export plans. That is, that they want to depreciate their currencies to increase their exports in the future.
Now, here's an economist to explain why currency wars are bad.
Well, nobody can win if it's a competitive devaluation. One country expands its money supply, drives its currency down. Another country does the same thing, drives its currency down, but of course that drives the first one up. So it's a zero-sum game. And in the end, what would be really happening is a lot more money being pumped into the world economy, which has inflationary consequences.
But some people think a currency war has kicked off. Japan, which needs to export more of these things, is accused of manipulating its currency down to boost exports. Here's the evidence: the Japanese yen against the US dollar since Lehman Brothers collapsed. Recently, the yen's been high, but now it's rapidly collapsing.